Hello, everyone. It's that time of year again. Spring is finally here, and that means it's time for a fresh new look from Mary Kay. So let's flip through their Spring 2026 collection together. I can't wait to see what they've got for us this season. And wow, what a way to start. Just look at that incredible texture, that amazing pop of color. We're talking new shades that you just know are going to become new faves. It just makes you feel excited for spring, right? So vibrant and fresh. I love this. It really captures the whole feeling of this collection. You know, it's not just about makeup, it's about renewal, it's about taking a little time for yourself, trying something new, and just embracing that fresh start feeling. Let's keep that in mind as we go. Okay, first up, let's talk lips. I mean, nothing really says spring like a gorgeous, shiny pop of color, and this collection is definitely delivering with some brand new limited edition lip glosses. And here they are. Aren't they gorgeous? You get 3 amazing new limited edition shades. You've got this shimmery lilac, a really bold cherry, and then this rich, deep rose. The shine is just incredible. They're made to make your lips look fuller and juicier in an instant. All right, next up, something totally new for your skin. If you're looking for that me time moment we were just talking about, well, this is it. Get ready to meet your new hydration hero. This slide is all about the feel. You can almost feel that silky, luxurious creaminess right through the screen, can't you? This is one of those products that's just designed to melt right into your skin and give you this immediate burst of soothing moisture. And here she is, the new Hydrating Cream Mask. It's built to be a total multitasking hero for your skin, but the best part, it's a no-rinse formula. That makes it so incredibly easy and versatile to use. And just look at all the ways you can use it. You can do a quick 20-minute moisture surge if you're short on time, or use it as an overnight rescue mask if your skin is feeling extra dry. You can even pop it on before your makeup for a perfect dewy glow-up. Heck, you can even use it on dry spots like your hands and elbows. It is all about convenience. All right, let's talk about a returning fan favorite. If you've been looking to capture that perfect, radiant, sun-kissed glow, you are going to be so happy about this. That's right, it's back by popular demand. The illuminating bronzer is here to give you that gorgeous, I just got back from a relaxing vacation glow, and you don't even have to pack a bag. It's all about bringing those warm, sunny vibes to your look. So here you can see the 2 beautiful shades side by side. You've got medium glow on the left and deep glow on the right. And can we talk about that stunning marbleized powder? It means every single compact is like its own little unique work of art. And it's designed to give your skin this perfect luminous warmth. So what's the secret sauce here? Well, it's this amazing combo. You get a silky smooth texture that just glides on, a special light-reflecting powder that kind of blurs imperfections and catches the light just right, and this beautiful, soft pearl finish. The 3 of them work together to give you that perfect lit-from-within glow. Okay, so we've seen some of the amazing new products. Now let's talk about a huge trend this season and how to use them to get the look. I'm talking about the strawberry makeup look. This trend is pretty much exactly what it sounds like. It's fresh, it's sweet, it's totally sun-drenched. The goal is to get that I just came inside from a beautiful day look. We're talking dewy skin, a really healthy flush on the cheeks, and of course, those super juicy lips. And it's so easy to do this yourself in just 4 steps. First, you glow with a dewy skin finish. Second, blush by adding a sun-soaked color to your cheeks. Third, shine with a juicy-looking lip. And finally, for a super cute and playful touch, you can create some faux freckles. It's just so fresh and perfect for spring. Okay, next, let's get into some of the everyday power players. We're talking about those high-performance essentials, from lashes that can handle anything to the skincare staples that are the foundation of it all. I mean, this picture says everything, right? The Mary Kay Great Heights Waterproof Mascara is designed for real life. This is a formula that can handle humidity, a tough workout, even a splash in the pool. Seriously, these are life-proof lashes. And the results are pretty much instant. With just 1 coat, you get a 43% boost in visible lash length. That is some immediate impact. But if you really want to go for it and you build it up with 3 coats, that number jumps to a 75% boost in visible length. That's how you get those seriously long, gravity-defying lashes. Of course, we all know that any great makeup look really starts with amazing skin. And this is the iconic Time-Wise regimen. It's really the foundation of the Mary Kay skincare line, and it's scientifically designed to help fight the signs of premature aging. And a huge part of that foundation is making sure you start and end every single day with perfectly clean skin. Essentials like the oil-free eye makeup remover are so key because they gently and effectively prep your skin for all the good stuff that comes after. And that commitment to healthy skin is for everyone. The MK Men regimen is a simple, hard-working routine designed specifically for guys, delivering fantastic results and really rounding out the whole comprehensive skincare lineup. So we end right back where we started, with this beautiful idea of renewal. We flipped through the fresh looks, the skincare heroes, and all the vibrant colors of spring. The only question left is the one on your screen. This season is all about renewal. How will you begin?